Hi, I'm Ron Gorsey. Welcome to a new decade, welcome to 2020, and welcome to our first edition of Connector for the year, bringing to you all of the new information and new initiatives behind the AIIA in this year. Obviously, the country is experiencing the bushfires at the moment, and they are, no question, devastating bushfires, impacting so many people, and our thoughts go out to everyone who has been impacted and everyone who has been involved in the emergency services work, the fireys and all the volunteers, and our thoughts go out to those being impacted and also our gratitude to those who have been there in support. Our industry is there to support as well. In a recent EDM that we sent out, we talked about a number of things, a number of initiatives and a number of activities that our members are involved in, and we're there to provide support, and we'll continue to do so. And there are some initiatives that we will look at in the next few months to provide additional support as well. But our thoughts do go out, and a message to our members: if there's anything at all that you see that you can do to provide further assistance, please get in contact with us. We would very much want to be supportive of those activities and those initiatives as well. Since the last Connector, our state councils and our board have all been announced, and the new board members and the state council members are now online. We would encourage you to know who's who and at your state council. Make sure you're engaging with them. True membership value comes from engagement, and you should make sure that you are known to them and they to you, so that you can ensure that you are working together for the good of the industry, good of your organisation and good of the state. One of the successful activities we ran last year was the delegation to the US, where we had some 30 delegates who went across from government and private sector amongst our member base. We plan to do another one of those because we know that that last delegation was so successful. The next delegation should be around March, April. Keep your eye out on Connector, and we'll provide you with more information as to who's going to be involved and how you can become engaged yourselves. And of course, one of our pinnacle events and programs is the IEEE Awards. Last year, our program was extremely successful. It was a great collation of innovation across our country. We are launching again 1st of February for the 2020 awards, and we encourage you to apply and get involved. There'll be some great prizes which will involve everything from mentoring, cash prizes and other activities that will help your business to get onto the platform that your business deserves, and we look forward to you participating. So, all that tells you is that 2020 is going to be a big year. Plenty of activity, plenty of involvement, plenty of opportunity to be engaged. We look forward to engaging with you directly. Look forward to 2020 and working with you. Thank you very much.